Hello Q family and welcome to our tutorial on how to build a DAO with the Q DAO Factory. Q has the perfect solution if you want to build your own DAO. Here you can see some of the key advantages. How effortless the creation of a DAO really is, you can see in this short tutorial in which we will show you step by step how to create your own DAO. First of all, go to factory.q-dao.tools. This will bring you to this landing page. On the first page, you can set a name for your DAO and describe the purpose of your DAO. In our example, we want to create a community-owned DeFi project. But no matter the use case, you can build anything you want with Q DAO Factory. After you have filled out both boxes, you can click on Next to get to the next page. Here you have to choose the kind of token that you want to create. If you already have a token, of course you can use it for your DAO. If you want to create a new token, you can choose between 3 different options. All tokens are created on the Q blockchain using Ethereum token standards. The first option is an ERC20 token. The main difference to the other tokens is that your voting power depends on the number of tokens you own. So if you have more tokens, you also have more voting power. The second option is an ERC721 token, which is known as the NFT token standard. With this token, you only have 1 vote per address, no matter how many tokens you own. The third option is a non-transferable soul-bound token. This means that the token is bound to 1 address and can never be transferred to another address. You can only burn the token if you don't want it anymore. For our example, we chose the ERC20 token because it's the most popular token standard. Below, you can define the name of your token and the token symbol. The name has a maximum length of 40 characters and the token symbol has a maximum length of 5 characters. In our example, we chose DETED, which is short for DeFi Test DAO, which is the name of our token. For your own DAO, you might want to find a catchier name, but this is up to your own creativity. The decimals can be important for certain calling functions. For good compatibility, we recommend using the industry standard of 18 decimals. The total token supply defines the maximum number of tokens, and it's up to you to choose a value that meets your needs. In our example, we chose 1 million tokens. The contract URI is optional and you can keep that box empty and click on Next to get to the final page. Now you're almost finished. For the experts among you, you can use different modules to customize your DAO to your individual needs. For example, you can add more expert panels, customize veto rights for DAO proposals, and you can even add further DAO modules. But if you're looking for an easy and safe way to create your DAO, it's sufficient to keep the standard settings. Also, you can still change those settings later. Now we launch your DAO. On the confirmation page, you can check one last time if everything is correct. You might recognize that there's much more information than you entered before. That's because we didn't customize our DAO, and therefore the factory uses the standard values. This is perfect for those of you who don't want to bother with detailed settings and get started really quick. After checking that everything is correct, click on Submit. Now we have to choose if we want the regular deploy, which requires Q tokens but is very fast. Or we choose the gasless deploy, which doesn't require Q tokens but is a little slower. We choose the regular deploy because we want it fast. Now your DAO is launching. Make sure to check your wallet as you must sign several messages. Since this happens on-chain, you might need to wait a few seconds between signing messages. That's basically it. If you still have questions, join our Discord and our Telegram channel. The community is always happy to help. Thank you for your attention and happy DAO building.